Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash just makeup look on this palette by Anastasia Beverly, the Subculture palette. Now, before that comes from me, I know that this palette is kinda old, but I just got my hands on it and I decided why not make a video on this, being that I haven't made a video on YouTube in like 2 weeks anyways. So let me just put a video together, give y'all my thoughts and reviews, and put a makeup look together in the process. If you're interested in seeing what I come up with and hearing my review on this palette, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video, y'all. Before I even start anything, I'm gonna put some tape on my eye because I want this to be like super clean and really cute looking. I just feel like, I don't know, tape makes makeup looks look like just so much more professional. For this, I'm going to actually use the brush that it comes with, just because, I don't know, some people have problems with these brushes, but I like the brushes that come inside the palettes. So this is what the palette looks like. I don't know if I can see that. I don't know, I want like yellow greenish. I know for a fact that I want to use this shade right here, but I don't know how I want to start this. So for my transition shade, I'm going to take this color right here called Roxy and put this basically all over my lid and just buff it out. Yeah, these shades, like, they have like a lot of fallout when I dipped into them. They're like super powdery. A lot of it just went everywhere, so that's one of the cons. But so far I like the pigment that these shades have, or this one so far. We're gonna keep going though. So for my next shade, I want to take this color right here, and it's called Edge, and I'm gonna put this, pack it more deeper into my crease. Then to bring out some of that yellow, I'm going to go in with New Wave. And this is an even deeper version of this pretty much. It's just a little bit darker. And I'm going to use that also. This green shade right here, and it's called Untamed, which is right here, and I'm going to pack this onto my lid. These colors are definitely buildable. Like, as you can see, I keep dipping into it and it just adds more and more pigment. I mean, the first layer that you put down is pretty pigmented, but these are like really buildable shades. So it all depends on like how intense you want your look to be, and you know, that's gonna determine how many layers that you pack on. I'm gonna dip back into Roxy and go over the edges a little bit more because I want it to be a little bit more blended out. Now I'm going to go into Electric, which is this shade right here. It's like super chromy, super glittery looking, and I'm going to put this right in the middle of my lid. I feel like it depends on what shade you put down first before you add this. You know, I feel like that depends on how it will apply, because in the pan it looks gold with green tint to it, but on my eye it looks green with gold tint. Like, it's crazy. For my lash line, I'm going to take some more of the Untamed color and just put that along my lash line. I'm going to take Q, which is this color right here. It's like an iridescent kind of off-white color. Actually, I'm gonna take Cute and I'm gonna mix it with Adorn, which is like pure gold, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. So far, what I've noticed is that these shades have a lot of fallout. Like, if you have a problem with fallout, like, you know, to me it doesn't really bother me because I know how to just wipe it off. But a lot of people, they feel like, you know, fallout, you're not getting your money's worth because the eyeshadow is literally just poofing everywhere when you put it on or when you dip into it. But if you know, have a problem with fallout, this might not be the palette for you because it is everywhere right now. Put on some lashes. I'm gonna use some telescopic or some L'Oreal telescopic mascara to prep my lashes for the falsies. This is not my favorite mascara just because, you know, it coats literally every single lash, and I haven't been able to find a mascara that can top this, so I'm gonna keep rocking with it. For my face, I'm going to pretty much do the same thing I usually do on all my videos, so I'm not going to really talk through this part. I'm going to speed this part up and let y'all enjoy the music or whatever I decide to do when I edit this video. So yeah. And this is the final look. Overall, I feel like this palette is worth the buy. I don't know why it took me so long to get this palette. The only major thing that I would say is, you know, the fallout, of course. Like, you can look at the palette right now and you can kind of see, you know, some of the shadows that I've used are all over the palette. You know, that kind of stuff doesn't really bother me, but it might bother someone else. But other than that, you know, the shades are really pigmented. They're super buttery and smooth. They're not like chalky looking when you put them on. They blend out really good together. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this palette. You know, Anastasia Beverly Hills always kicks ass with their palettes. I think their line in general, I love their products, and this is just another item that I've added to my collection. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this look. Let me know if you guys have had this palette and what your experiences was with this palette. Tag me in pictures. My name on Instagram is TheAsianDionna. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.